One of the mandatory requirement of working with Rehan Allahwala and Rehan Foundation as an interviewer and even as an employee is that we have to make 500 mutual friends with Rehan Allahwala. So these are the links. If you click these links, you're going to get some videos that are explained by Sir Rehan Allahwala himself, that why does he pushes people to make 500 mutual friends. So you have to make 500 mutual friends, and you can also download this ebook which is going to detail you about the entire process, the benefits and the outcomes of having mutual friends with Rehan Allahwala. Believe me, at first when I heard about it, it didn't make some logic, a lot of logic to me, but I followed the process and it did impact me big time. It did change my view of seeing at things. It did give me a dimension that was not before with me. So I do highly recommend to make 500 mutual friends with Rehan Allahwala.